It's got a triangle. It's not to scale. Various lengths. Show it's not a right angle triangle. That means it can't be for Pythagoras. So what I'll do is work out what 19.4 squared is. And that is 376.386. Obviously using my calculator. 14.7 squared is 216.09. 11.5 squared is 132.25. Now if it's a right angle triangle, then the two small ones must add up to the big one. And so 216.09 plus 132.25 equals 348.34, not 376.36, therefore is not a right angle. 3 marks. Calculate size of the angle X, this one here. Well, it's not a right angle, so I can't use standard trigonometry. I'm going to, or SOHCAHTOA. I'm going to have to use either sine rule or cosine rule. And in this particular case, I only have to use the cosine rule. It's at the front of the formula sheet, so I'd write it down, and it is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And what we've got to do, what I've got to do is rearrange this. So I'll add 2bc to both sides. I get 2bc cos a equals b squared plus c squared. I've added that to get to this side. I've got to take away the a squared, and then I get cos a equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc. At this stage, I've got to work out the a links with the a, so that it doesn't matter which one's b or c, but the angle a, or in this case x, has got a link with the 11.5. So that will give me cos a equals 14.7 squared plus 19.4 squared minus 11.5 squared. That's the a bit which links with a, all over 2 times 14.7 times by 19.4. Work that on a calculator, it gives 0.80685888. And so the a, we've got to get rid of cos, so we have to cos to the minus 1 both sides, and that'll just leave a cos to the minus 1 of 0.806, or 806,858 is 36.2098 degrees, or 36.2 degrees to 3 significant figures. Calculate the area of this triangle. Well, it gives it 2 marks. I only gave us 3 marks for that, calculating the angle x. This one is a half a b sine c. So it's the half of 2 sides times together, or lengths of 2 sides times together. So that's 6 and 8 times by sine of the angle between them. And that gives 10.89577. And so I'll call it 10.9. Because, 10.9, let's round it up. 10.9 centimeters squared. That's question 16 done.